Hey guys, this is Duran, the Auto Assembly, also known as Ray, and I'm just doing a sneaky little vlog at the minute. I'm in at work currently. It's basically when I'm on late, on a say 1:30 to 10 o'clock at night. It's not that odd that I'll be finished everything by about 9:30. This week it's been, well today, it's been 9 o'clock and the TV up in the corner that won't turn off. You can see it, that's sit there. It won't turn, there's something very wrong with it. It won't turn off and the volume won't go down. But it'll change channels alright. Yeah, Auto Assembly. I'm really looking forward to it. And just seen Silverbolt's video just there now. I'm basically seeing when it's coming up, so I'm sort of going sort of near enough I could tie it down to something that's same sort of feeling I used to get back when the Beast Wars toys were in Woolworths, which is a good lot of years ago, and yeah, every time I find something there I really want, this excitement, adrenaline would come over me. Right now, I'm really looking forward to it. I may not have many Transformers stories, but if any of you want to hear them, I could always go over some of the stories from the cons I've been at, the ones with Vic, and there are a few stories there especially, including the very first con that I went to. And even back to last year at the London Film and Comic Con. Yeah, there's stories there too. Even back at Con last year. And possibly the meet I went to, or what I could have, the Nomcon meet, where they were having a picnic and everybody was meeting up for a Forbidden Planet down in Dublin. Because there's a little bit of Transformers with that. Yeah, it's got me absolutely awesome. It's hard to actually describe it, but just around this area where I live, or even the whole of this island of Ireland, near enough everybody's sort of spread out. Like me, I'm an otaku, and us otaku are sort of all spread out all over the place. Even the rangers that live here, we're all over the place. They live miles away from each other. Really, the only time we'd really get to meet each other is by going to a con and hanging out, or just chatting online. I will do my best. Do my best to talk to anybody. I'm naturally shy. That's basically me. From what I've been hearing, a lot of you guys are naturally shy as well. So, hell, we'll be in the right place, because well, for anybody who doesn't know why I'm going to Auto Assembly this year, it was just the sheer feeling coming out of those sheer feeling coming from all the videos sort of know the aftermath videos, and when they came up, the videos from Auto Assembly, that really just touched my heart. That's exactly the way I felt after the first con I've ever been to, and especially hanging out with the Rangers that I've met, not like my fellow Risembool Rangers, including just so everybody knows, it is not an odd thing I have found to go to a con, maybe just friends, or maybe just even talking to somebody online and coming back with maybe a new brother, or, well, not blood related, but you know, in the sense of brother or sister. So I'll explain that a bit better, but just hopefully nothing happens like last July, where Vic put, and I'm talking about Vic Mignana, came over to me. I was sitting in front row, put his hand on my shoulder and says, "Guys, I think I know what." I need to watch the video again to know exactly what I said, but it was something like, "Guys, I want." This is my super cool Pro Ray right here. Things like that in a packed panel room, you can almost die. Which worries me that Scott McNeil might do something like that. Because if you've seen any videos of Scott getting glummed, it's usually been my big bro Vic that's done it. Anyway, I better sign off while I still have power on this iPhone of mine. But this is Jirai, the Aerosane, also known as, better known as Ray, or in some circles Jirai. Just saying that I will see you guys at Auto Assembly. I am absolutely looking forward to it. I mean, it's just so awesome that hard to say, but yeah. On Timey, if you're watching this, yes, for certain, there will be an epic conversation between Shockwave and Megatron. I will see to it not even Starscream or the Autobots will be able to deny the meeting of sheer evil. I'll see you there, guys. Good journey.